Wow, Wally here. Guys, check this out. They're all here, every one of them. It's time to get the rest of this stuff cut up, and it's time to do a little bit of good in the process. Stay tuned. Husqvarna 181 SE. Let's give her a rack. A rattle. See how it gets on, guys. Oh, I'm worried. Whoa! First time. What the hell is that all about? Oh, and then it does that. First, okay, I'm going to fill a load. Of this up for Uncle John. Uncle John, otherwise known as the Godfather. Guys, I'm just going to give him some, okay? I have a lot of stuff here. I'm going to give him some stuff, and strangely enough, guys, I rang him last night to see if he wanted any of this, and it's funny. I rang him with the intention of giving him stuff, and he said to me, there's actually a big tree has come down, will you help me cut it up and you can have some of it as well. So it's like, good intention brings reward, I suppose. I was like, oh my god, that's amazing, you know, perfect, absolutely perfect. So I'm going to cut some of this up, I'm going to fill it into the back of the yoke, I'm going to bring it to John. No, I'll cut it up first, and we'll get the 181 flying. I understand it less than you do. So what happened? Forget about firewood for Uncle John. The 181 that hasn't been starting for the last 4 months. Well guys, I took it out and I drop started it today. Am I just being like a weak little girl? Is that what it is? and I sort of pulled it over a little bit, and I just went, "Ugh," and it popped. Now the last time I tried to drop start that saw, I near dislocated my shoulder. So maybe there's just I just had forgotten the knack because I hadn't used it in so long. Do you understand what I mean, guys? It's like your car. This is what I was thinking. So it's like your car. Every car, especially if they're an older car, has wee quirks and stuff like that. Saws are the same. So this is what I think. So I know the 365. I know the Frankensaw inside out. You know what I mean? Like, so I know. Oh yes, it's ready to go. Bang bang bang. Boosh, where it goes. If that makes sense. The 181 I don't know that much because it's such a tough saw to use that I don't use it very often. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Yes, it does, Wally. So look, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear all this out of my way into the back of the truck and see what we have, and then come back. You don't need to see me grunting, lifting stuff. Sorry guys, got a wee bit carried away there. Right, okay. A nice little load of cypress there for John. Get him started on next year. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay frosty.